Today we're diving into the impressive features of the Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor, a versatile tool perfect for artists, modelers, and beauty enthusiasts alike. This high-pressure airbrush kit boasts a remarkable 40 psi air pressure and an airflow of 8 to 10 liters, delivering a 60% performance boost for all your creative projects, from art painting and model coloring to cake decoration and nail art. With its 3-gear adjustable air pressure settings of 25, 30, and 40 psi, you can easily tailor the airflow to suit your specific needs, ensuring precise and effortless effects on your artwork. The dual-action design allows for fluid control and pigment volume regulation, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, mastering this airbrush kit is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly features and wide range of applications. The non-clogging spray gun, equipped with an adjustable tailstock, ensures smooth operation and adaptability by allowing you to fit the right needle for your painting needs. Elevate your creative projects with the Gocheer Airbrush Kit, where innovation meets artistry in every spray. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.